So today I've come to Harborne, so I'm on the Harborne High Street now. I'm just going to go and check out some food, get some food somewhere. I'm not too sure what it's about, but I'm going to have a look, see what's available for food. There's a couple of good pubs. You've got the Harborne store. Harborne store's over the road there. You've got the Green Man, and also you've got another pub further down, which I think I want to try. Looks like a nice little pub. I think it's called the White Swan. So we're going to walk down there and have a look, check it out. So we're here in Edgbaston at the White Swan, and we've just ordered some food. We've ordered 2 different dishes. We've ordered a burger and ordered the fish and chips. So yeah, let's test out what the food's like. The place is nice, clean, it's quite spacious, it's a lovely looking pub. So yeah, let's give it a shot. Right then, that was quick. I was expecting to be waiting about 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes. I think that was about 5 minutes. That was really quick. So, okay, let's go. Those chips look really nice. So you got some nice mushy peas here. That's a good chip. Size of that lemon. That's a big lemon. Right, let's try. Let's have a taste of this fish. The batter's nice and crunchy, which is a good sign. Yeah, that's really good. That is really nice. Nice and crispy. Nice bit of cod. Let's have a dip it in there. Yeah, that's definitely up there. It's got to be an 8 out of 10. Loving the crunchiness of the chips. Like they've been double dipped in the fryer. All right, let's try this burger. That's a good looking burger. Right then. Look at that. Oh yeah. That's a buttermilk chicken burger with cheese. Oh yeah. Oh wow. So good. I thought I was really hungry. I thought I could have ate a horse. But I've ate half my fish, half the chips, about a quarter of a burger. I'm bloated now. Thank you. That looks amazing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Right then. That. Look at that. That looks. Oh. Oh, look at that. Chocolate brownie, vanilla ice cream. Overall, really nice. Apart from, I don't like marzipan. And there's definitely marzipan in that, because I can taste it. But still, it was really good. So that's been the White Swan. The food was good. Dessert was nice. Yeah, White Swan, Edgbaston, just down the road from Harborne. My belly's full. I'm going home to have a little nap now.